Acid-base, Equilibria.
Chapter 16.
In Unit 8, Section 8.4, the AP curriculum requires the knowledge and understanding of acid-base reactions and buffers.
This is covered in Section 16.6, Buffer Solutions.
Acid-base reactions and acid-base titrations required in Section 8.5 of Unit 8 are covered in detail in Sections 16.13, 16.16, and 16.19 respectively.
In Unit 8, Section 8.8, Properties of Buffers, is covered in Sections 16.2, 16.4, 16.6 and 16.8 respectively. Make sure you practice the workout examples. This would solidify your understanding of these fundamental concepts.
In Unit 8, Section 8.9, Henderson Hasselbalch equation, is covered in Sections 16.2 and 16.4 respectively. The curriculum does not require you to learn the derivation of the Henderson Hasselbalch equation. Also, you are not required to know calculations of change in pH resulting from the addition of an acid or base. We respectfully disagree with these requirements. Learning the derivation of the Henderson Hasselbalch equation will help you understand the concept, which can then be applied with thorough understanding. Computing pH with the addition of acids and bases will give you a thorough understanding on the buffering capacity of a buffer solution. Not knowing this may give you a lot of hassle with the Henderson Hasselbalch equation.
In Unit 8, Section 8.10, Buffer capacity is required in AP curriculum. This is covered in Section 16.8, with a workout example offered in Section 16.9.
Some topics in this chapter may be overwhelming in the first go-around. We suggest you go over more than once, if needed. Finally, go over in detail acid-base indicators, covered in Section 16.22, which also revisits all the covered titrations.
Finally, as suggested in every chapter, practice interactive multiple-choice questions with solutions before attempting the homework questions.